Your brand isn't just what you post. It is what people remember when you are not in the room. Cheers! Don't build a brand that you will want to rebrand in 6 months. That's not what you want, I hope, because it's a 2 times job, maybe multiple times, because it's harder to correct something or rebrand something than starting from scratch. That's why I always encourage my clients to work with an expert at the very beginning. Then it will be harder to rebrand yourself because people already have something in their mind. You already built it. So today I am sharing 5 essential questions to answer before you build a brand. If you're thinking about building a brand, or let's say rebranding, whether you're starting your coaching business, shifting careers, or showing up online more as a speaker, entrepreneur, or creative, pause for a second. I think I'm going to record another video about a 10-second rule, 10-second pause rule. It really changes everything. It changed a lot of things in my life. Just wait 10 seconds before you make a decision, before you act, before you do something. It changes the game. So before we dive in, take a breath, or you can sip from your coffee. It always helps. Oh my God, do I love coffee? I love coffee. The reason why I paused you for 10 seconds, because before you dive into logos, colors, what to write on an Instagram post and LinkedIn post, what article should I write, what video should I record, there are 5 important questions you need to answer first before doing anything else. These questions will give you the clarity to build a brand that is not only authentic, but also magnetic. And I've got a free workbook for you to help you answer these questions. So stay with me. I know you're not used to this. I don't really do free stuff or give away things, but I decided to do it because I seen this is very crucial for so many people, and so many people just want to dive in to post or do something and show up. I know you're excited, you want to do things, but first, coffee, no, first these questions. Let's get into it. You can have your coffee while answering these questions. I made an arrangement for you. That's okay. That's fine. And the reason why I shoot this video today, I'm shooting right now, because so often I meet people who say, I don't know what to post. I don't know how to describe myself. I want my brand to feel like me, but I don't know where to start. And I always say this, don't start with Canva, even though it's a great tool and I use it. Start with clarity. The most aligned and successful brands don't start with content. They start with clarity, a goal, a path that they're going to follow. And for that path, they begin with these questions. So here's a hint for you. When I work with a client, these are a very like pre-workout warm-up questions I use. I have deeper branding coaching questions that I created using neurolinguistic programming and all my Reiki and coaching skills to help my clients to feel deeper and tap into what's inside them, what's their true potential, true purpose. So questions are life. Let's walk through these 5 questions. Question 1, what do you deeply believe in. So a quick side note here, some questions might make you feel like, what is it going to do with my branding? Why am I asked this question? Trust me, just trust the process, okay? All these questions will help you to get clear about your messaging, your branding, everything. Of course, this is not the whole package. That's another package. I can give it to you, but this is a very, very beginning that you need to do before you post anything. So coming back to the first question, what do you deeply believe in? This is the heart of everything. If you're a life coach, what is the core belief behind your work? Your answer might be, maybe you believe in everybody deserves meaningful work and meaningful life and you want to give it to them. Or if you work in corporate and coach on the side, this is a very common thing too. What connects the two of them? You're a coach and you also have a corporate job. Maybe you believe that you want to support people who work 9 to 5 being more joyful in the work environment. Maybe you believe joy is essential in the workplace. Your brand becomes powerful when it's built on conviction. Let your beliefs lead the way. Question 2. What is the transformation you help create? Forget job titles for a moment. What actually changes when someone works with you? Do they gain confidence? Do they find their purpose again? Do they learn to speak on the stage with clarity, confidence? You can be a coach, a speaker, a strategist, but your transformation is your brand, not just your role. Question 3. What parts of you are you hiding online? Oh, this one gets real. So many people come to me saying, I want to start posting, but I'm scared people from my job will see. Or I hear this a lot too. I don't know how to mix my coaching with my 9 to 5. And I always ask, what if that blend is your brilliance? What makes you you? Your authenticity. You can be a wife and an entrepreneur. You can be a teacher and a speaker. You don't have to box yourself into only one person. If you feel like your brand is split, it's time to integrate. Question 4. What do people come to you for? Let's ground it in reality. What do your friends, coworkers, or even strangers come to you for? Advice, encouragement, filling up with joy, strategy, speaking tips, relationship tips. What is it? You know. I know. Now you're like, this is getting really interesting. It is. Your brand already exists. It's just waiting to be defined. Question 5, or you're still stuck in the 4 because that is a deep one. Question 5, what do you want to be known for? This is my favorite question because it's not about how people see you or might see you. It's about how you want them to see you. Because when you answer this question, we are halfway there. Now you know how to show up. Ask yourself this: if someone saw your name online in 6 months, what do you want them to associate it with? Authentic branding, clarity and courage, speaking with confidence, or anything else? What is your answer? You get to choose that now and always, but since we are building it now, you get to choose. how you want to be seen, heard, and remembered in 6 months from now. And start showing up as that version of you. It's okay if you never show up in that way. You can start today, this moment, to be that person and just continue doing the same. So, like I mentioned, I created a PDF for you to answer these questions deeply. It's called Before You Build a Brand, the 5 questions that will define everything. You will find journaling prompts, examples, and even a few bonus reflection spaces to bring your answers to life. Download it from the description below. It is totally free. Like I said, it is totally free. Enjoy it, and you might receive a confirmation email to confirm that you're not a robot and you really want to receive this. So once you confirm that email, you will receive it into your inbox and you can download it and enjoy it. Hit me up in the comments what resonated with you the most. Remember, your brand should feel like home. It should feel like you. And it all starts with clarity. And for clarity, it starts with these simple questions, but essential ones. And if you want to learn the #1 branding skill that you need to master in 2025, you can watch the next video.